Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to present to you guys about my study and project plan. But before that, so do you know in Indonesia, there's so many people who are unemployment, like a teenager that already not a teenager, the people who already fresh graduate still unemployment, like they are still does not have a job after because I don't know. So but they already go to college. So how this happened, how this incident happened. So so how we prevent it? So maybe because the first is lazy, they does not want to have a job, like they are lazy to search for job and they don't have a niat. So wait. So how we prevent it? So we need to have a niat for ourselves to have searching for job and hard work. Nowadays, like, people is very lazy to search for job and but they don't have enough requirement for a job, because in Indonesia, I think for me is the requirement is very high, like for fresh graduate people. So in this case, how I prevent it? I prevent it is making a plan for our future. So we know what we going to do after we done high school and college. So that's why in here I want to presentate about study and project plan presentation. But first, let me know me first. Okay, so my name is Muhammad Raisya Asfar. You can call me Ayes, and I'm from Bekasi. So I like maybe I like playing. I like sports. I'm doing sports, and I like learning something. So maybe that's a short introduce with me. So now let's just get started on my study plan. Okay. So after I go in junior high school, I want to continue my career, my learning in IDN High School, especially in the network engineering. So why I chose this? So I chose network engineering because the first is I think there's many people say that AI not going to replace network engineers. You guys can see in here, but their roles are being transformed significantly by IT. AI is automating repetitive tasks, so they almost cannot replace network engineers, but we can use the tools. And if you can see the third high school, the third in IDN, that is RPL, TKJ, and DKV. So the two, like the RPL and the DKV, is I think there is some time that they will going to replace the AI, but not this time. So I want to why I chose TKJ, because the first is this one, And the second is they are the most highest paid wage than RPL and DKV. When I'm searching when I'm research in Google, I see is the minimum wage of TKJ people or network engineers have more wage. Like if work in across the world, like not Indonesia, I think maybe can around $50,000. So very big. And now, next step for me is the college is the University of Manchester. Okay, so why I chose this university for me to target it so I can apply and go to this university. So the first is I need to do IELTS minimum 6 the score, and now I still studying IELTS like reading, writing and others, and so I'm not still taking the test. And the second is I want to have the scholarship of LPDP, like the official government scholarship. And the last is study hard. And when I'm research in the university, University of Manchester have an acceptance rate of 51%, which is pretty easy. And if you guys see in the University World Ranking, University of Manchester is currently in 34th place, so top 50. So that's one of the kind reason why I want to go to the University of Manchester. And now my project plan. So my project plan is have a lot, but still and many more of them is still in just like a plan, but there is some of them I already make. So let's just see. Okay, so there is three main goals that I want. Is the first is making my own brand, and the second is making a company and helping people with my knowledge. So I will explain it a bit detailed. So making my own brand. So this is like just like a dream for me. So if I have enough time and passion, maybe I can do this, because I want to make a sportswear brand, like compete with maybe Adidas or Nike. But I think, yeah, still a big dream. And the second is making a company. More detailed is like course company, like online course company, so you can enroll it and maybe study about IT. So the second is the point, the second one is I already make, but still in progress. And the third is helping people with my knowledge. So how do I use my knowledge to help people? So I can use it like in the second point, making company. And I want to like having like a seminar with and like other countries maybe can, if Indonesia can too. And maybe if not seminar, maybe I have like a podcast or something. So this is my roadmap. So this is me now. This now, and after that SMK. After that I want to doing project and stuff, and internship. Start learning something new. College. start doing project while doing work. So that's a short explanation about my study plan and project. Okay, so the company what I'm talking about is already make a progress here, that is Insight Path. I make this with my friend in other class, so this is still in progress, but I think at least it have a progress on its own. Okay, so this is all the slide. Did you guys have a question? Okay, so if you guys don't have a question, maybe that's all from me. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.